What's up, guys? 9:15 p.m. This is Joe from 450 Sports, and we're about to do break number 368 out of eBay, which is a double box of Artifacts Hockey 2013 and 14. Here's the two boxes. Let me just open both boxes. We're gonna have 20 packs to open. Good luck, everybody. So before we start, I just want to point to your attention that we all we now have a baseball breaks page. It's a group actually in eBay, so on eBay, in Facebook. So if you want to go to check it out, I'm gonna send you guys the link. And I'm also gonna put it in the description of the YouTube video. Go check it out. We have our first break, which is a quad box of 15 Chrome hobby boxes, which is already almost sold out. We have, I think, 5 teams left. So there you go, guys. Good luck. Break 368, le break numéro 368. Bonne chance tout le monde. There you go. So we have base. Then we have a jersey patch number 275. Minnesota Wild. Jonas Broden. Three color patch right off the bat for Minnesota. Next up, we have our autograph. And it's of Tommy Wingles. Tommy Wingles for the Sharks. Tommy Wingles for the Sharks. Decoy and base. So started with the patch and the auto. Alright, double jersey, Tundra Tandems, Washington Capitals, Mike Green and Nick Backstrom. Green and Backstrom, dual jersey for the Caps. Next, our rookie, Minnesota Wild, 9.99, Charlie Coyle. Charlie Coyle. Next, we have a red of Danny Heatley, and it goes to the Sharks. Danny Heatley, number 299. 299, Danny Heatley for the Sharks. I think we have another tick card in there. Oh, nice. 4 out of 5. Patch tag. Patch tag for the Washington Capitals. Mike Green. 4 out of only 5. Patch tag Mike Green. Nice card. Another autograph. Autofacts Marco Sturm. Marco Sturm for the Panthers. Next we have a Tundra Trios. And for the Maple Leafs of Doug Gilmour, Matt Sundin, and Ty Domi. Gilmour, Sundin, and Domi. There you go. Nice triple. Nice trios. The Leafs. And we have a rookie for the Buffalo Sabres of Mikhail Grigorenko. Grigorenko for the Sabres. And Keith Ollie. I think it goes to, I think it's Tampa Bay. 9.99 Keith Ollie. Tampa Bay or Toronto? I will look it up. I know it's Team Canada, but it goes to actual players' team. So in last year, so it's one of those. We have a red rookie, Nick Petrecki, number 299 for the San Jose Sharks. Nick Petrecki. And we have an insert, number 999 Maple Leafs, Ed Belfour. Ed Belfour insert. the rookie redemption. It's red 231. So we'll look it up. Red 231. We'll look it up, see how it goes. Guess, t'es toujours là. Red 231. Red 231. I'll look it up, see who it goes to. Treasured jersey. Stephen Weiss, Panthers. Treasured swatches dual jersey of Stephen Weiss. Josh Levo. Okay, Josh Levo for the Maple Leafs. The redemption. Let's see, Nick. We have a green rookie out of 99. Pittsburgh Penguins. O. Bennett. Nice green rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Insert 999 for the LA Kings. Jonathan Quick. Another one. Mick, peux-tu l'as encore d'ouvert? Rookie redemption, red 233. Red 233. Ça fait travailler, Mick. We have a double jersey, 125, Pittsburgh Penguins, Larry Murphy. Oh, Tyler Johnson. Nice. Tyler Johnson for Tampa Bay. See, Mick. We have a insert blue out of 85, Flames, Theo Fleury. And in our last pack of break 368, dernier paquet du break numéro 368 before we do premiere, we have a rookie, the number to 999 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jared Stahl. So there you go, guys. This was break number 368. I'll be back in about 8 minutes with break number 369, single box of 2014-15 premiere. So thanks again, guys, for joining. See you guys next time.